Hey, what is up everybody? Today we are going to have a look at the newest Bluetooth speaker from Xiaomi. They call it Square 2 or Bluetooth Speaker 4.2. It costs around $30 and I was very curious to hear how that sounds because this would be my third Xiaomi speaker. So, in the box we have the speaker itself and we also have menu. We don't have anything else, we don't have a carrying back, we don't have USB cable to charge it, pretty much just the speaker. Here it is, on the top we have the power button and we have the volume rockers. On the back we have USB charging port and we also have the auxiliary port. On the bottom rubber feet, and because the speaker itself weighs around 150 grams, it stays really sweet. So we turn it on and we can see the blinking LED which showing that we're paired. So let's hear how that one sounds. There it is, plenty of bass, plenty of mids, plenty of heights. I like it a lot, I have to say it can get very loud and it can easily fill a small room. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.